Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Cornway. I just wanted to do a quick wrap up for our at-home readers workshop for you today. So boys and girls, this has been such an incredible journey, just changing up the way that we have been learning together and using videos in our at-home readers workshop. But I want you to keep in mind, we have learned so much. There's a few things to take with you off into your summer reading practice. First of all, I hope you keep your eyes wide open for writing ideas, because a lot of the books that we read in the at-home readers workshop were based upon things that our authors had experienced. So I hope that you are collecting all of those experiences. Think about how you might share some of those great stories with others. You have great stories to share. Also, our authors oftentimes think of these great lessons that they think that their readers need to know about, and you have important things to tell your readers too. So keep that in mind as you head off into your summer practicing. The next thing I hope you will think about is, what can characters teach us? Gosh, we learned a lot of lessons from the characters that we were reading about together. And since we're all growing and we're all getting better getting a little better each and every day, I hope you really keep in mind the author's messages to you through the characters that they create. And last but not least, let's reflect on the past and plan for the future. What kind of reader do you want to be? How do you want to be different in August than you are right this very minute? You have a lot of tools in your tool belt. You have a lot of strategies you've learned. But there's a few things that good, strong readers do, and I want to share those with you. Good, strong readers, they fit in 30 minutes of reading each and every day. They make sure they're consistently practicing. They find ways to read on the go, and they try out new authors. I'm hoping maybe you met at least one new author in our reading together that you might want to explore a little bit more. Also, if you are a Muskrat reader and you are hanging out in Algonac, you will find our tracking sheet for our summer reading incentives in your report card. Don't forget to log your reading, because we always love to celebrate when we get back with the other kids who have been practicing their skills all summer long. So boys and girls, I just want to thank you for joining in on the at-home readers workshop. I have learned so much just and changed my teaching with learning in a new environment, and I have just so appreciated having you on the other side of the screen. So have an awesome summer, and I look forward to learning with you again